what I want to talk today, it's the first time I'm going to do the presentation of the next generation of the file management system. So mostly all of us, including me, we're using like Dropbox, Google Drive, right? We're using digital workspaces, sharing stuff, but all that stuff is very Web2 based, it's or Web3 based. So today, what I want to talk about, like imagine the new future. Let's teleport like a year from now, right? So imagine if we can have the fusion of AI, blockchain, Filecoin, CDN, all together like a mix. And all of us, let's say I am the entrepreneur, and I love to analyze things. I love to use OpenAI. I love ChatGPT, but all those stuff still manual. So imagine for a second if you can have a digital private workspace which can be more intelligent, which can collect data, analyze data, can communicate to the people, can present your projects or your avatar or your identity or your persona or anything, whatever you want. So what I want to present to you, it's the future of the workspaces. And this workspace is fully interactive based on my data. So whatever I'm gonna show you right now, so this is like a Ghostdrive space built on Ghostdrive, okay? So what I did for the last 6 months, I've been training my own AI model, and that AI model using confidential computing. So you can train the model like small model, large model, or Llama, or Falcon, on different ones. But what we decide to build, we decide to build the Oracle, which can have all those endpoints into one. This is a couple features. So this is a Ghost Drive, and now I'm going to my workspace, and this is all my data, right? So this is all my files, information, my PDF, my Google Docs, anything can be located in that space. So you have ability to, with one click, to upload. You have ability to encrypt this data, and whatever you see right here, it's a client-side encryption, and we're also using client-side computing. So let's say if I have a file, I have some sort of new instruments where I can see the CID of this file. So I can see and go to IPFS and make sure this file exists on a peer-to-peer network. Then I have ability of the ownership. I can have ability of the sharing of the file. So in order for me, in order for us to share the file, so normally we do sharing by the link, right? Or we also have this ability, you can create a permission share token. So you don't need to send any more attachments or any more links. So this system completely work is like stealth mode, right? That's why we call Ghost Drive. So everything is kind of ghosty. You can send the file to somebody, nobody gonna see it. Then we have ability to trace the logs and have a multi-sig management system. So you can have all interactive DAO management rules. You have ability to create like a schedule events, automation events, what's can happen tomorrow, or you can choose any type of different actions. And with one click, you are able to do the tokenization piece on a Filecoin, on a Ethereum, or Polygon, or Aptos, doesn't matter. So we built very agnostic approach, meaning we're supporting all different type of blockchains where you can easily, with one click, tokenize all your assets. Then we build like a lot of like cool additional security layers. So you can pin your data to a particular place. So let's say I can take the picture in this area, and only in this area I can see this picture. So you can build a geo pin targeting data, or let's say you have the community like Filecoin. people come in here, and only people who will come here will be, hey, have access to that particular information. And we also create a lot of additional feature like a file converting, meaning like file computing. So you can convert from one file to different file. We support over 200 different formats in one place. So normally we all go to convert.io or different protocols. So Ghostdrive combine all those tools, how you can manage all your data, and you have ability to manage your data with a multi-sig. So I can create additional a wallet or add or invite somebody else. And in order for me to delete the file or share this file, it's going to require the second uh, cryptographic signature. So was my presentation, but now I want my space, right? My Ghostdrive data, whatever information I just show you on the back end. So now I can communicate, with the Ghostdrive. So, and I will say, why Ghostdrive? So what you see right now, this is my workspace doing presentation instead of me. So meaning people can come to this page, they can collect the information, they can see the study. So let's say I have a study, Ghostdrive and Filecoin, how they working all together. So this is like a different type of innovation approach, how you can not only store your data, but how you can interact with your data, how you can generate a new data based on your data. So you can mix different type of workspaces to get the new information, to get the new output. So this is how you train, the data knowledge, your memory, your nodes, everything, your brain data, it's stored now in a secure space. And this data now can have the voice. So this data can communicate, this data can interact. And instead of like running like Git books or GitHub intros and etc. So we simplify the whole interaction way how you and what you can do with your data. I can ask, write me a PHP code to CLA tools. So what we did, we connect all our Gitbook, GitHub, and all sort of information, wherever the Ghostdrive have the tools. So now the Ghostdrive itself can help people to integrate, to any type of languages, from C++ to Python, Ruby, doesn't matter. So the whole idea here is to bring efficiency of the data management, data integration, data ownership, data tokenization in one place. And the way why we need it, because mostly we're spending our time on manual stuff. So we do everything manually. We click, we go, and now you have ability to create a space which have intelligence behind, which have a privacy behind, and give you a new ability and new horizontal tools how you can present yourself instead of, and you don't need to be present. So those type of tools you can connect to your metaverse, you can connect to your avatar, you can connect to your personas, and etc. So the Ghostdrive also helps people not only to communicate, so you can also create the forms, meaning you can collect the information. So your AI can collect the information, gather the information, analyze the information, do a lot of sort of ability to create all your training section, your folders, all your data based on your information. And the best part of it, it's fully working on the Filecoin, and all your data always secure. The all encryption, it's a client side, so coming from your MetaMask, so only you as a user have access to your information, and you can create multiple use cases. like unlimited use cases. So we're gonna do a workshop after my meeting in the booth number 3. If you guys have more question or you wanna play around, I would love to give you more stuff. So all the stuff what you see right now is going to be only available probably February or March on the public. But in meantime, the Ghostdrive platform is already available. We already have over 50,000 beta testers. So we are inviting you to become one of our community as well. Give us your feedback, report, or suggestion on improvement. We all here to collaborate, and thank you so much for your time.